Hey guys, I wanted to come to you today to show you a first impressions of the new Guerlain foundation. Look at this. I'm so excited to try this. It's supposed to be long wearing, natural, 16-hour natural glow, and my color is 03W, so yes. I have prepped my skin. I use sunscreen. I use Supergoop. I've been using a lot of skincare. I have a video on Murad and trying to get rid of these melasma and brown spots. So you guys, if you have not seen it, please go to YouTube and check it out. If you're gonna use any of those Murad acids or Murad brown spot or age spot or dark spot serums, you're gonna have to use the serum. So there's my skin prepped. I actually prepped a lot, but let's get straight into this video. Okay, I'm gonna shake her up. Look at this beauty. Oh, she's supposed to go on with a special brush. Should I try the special brush? Yes, hold on. She also comes with this beautiful oil, but because I've prepped my skin so much already, I'm not going to use this oil. Next time I will. This is the brush it comes with, and yeah, it like opens and pops off like this. So I'm kind of excited to use this type of brush for a foundation. Never done that before. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pump one pump. I'm going to start just like dotting it onto my skin. I color matched myself on Sephora.com, so I color matched myself with a Pat McGrath in medium 16 because that was like my favorite color. So this is looking a little bit light on me, but then let's see when I use this. Oh wow, this brush. It blends out like, what? It's like the, what is that? I've never used a brush like this. It is blending out like the cream. Now this to me feels like it's light coverage. So I'm gonna have to add, well, light to medium. It is a little glowy. You can see some glow there. This brush is really cool. Okay. So I have melasma and brown spots. I'm gonna add just a touch extra where I need it, like right here. Actually, all around here. I need a little more. I've never used a brush like that. I wonder if I should have just used a beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna keep experimenting and getting back to you guys. I definitely have brown spots here. So I can see, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, maybe I'll try patting it in. I can see my freckles through. So it's giving me a pretty light coverage. So if you want something that is going to show your freckles through and give you a more of a skin finish look, I think this is perfect. It's got a very light scent. It's not anything strong, nothing that's bothering me at all. With this brush, I'm super intrigued with. All right, so you can still see a little bit of my brown spots here. And but that's okay, because sometimes you don't want your face to look like cake face. Sometimes you do, like sometimes you want like this, like not cake face but full coverage. Like the It Cosmetics is like full coverage, like you put the tiniest bit on and you can't see a thing. But with this foundation, I think you can definitely see my skin through. And yeah, I really like that. I kind of think it's the perfect actual color for my face. So again, I got 03W, and yeah, well. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will come right back to you guys. That's really nice though, right? You see? Pretty. I just have to show you this brush really quick. So to put it away, it took me like 15 minutes to figure it out, but you just pull the top part off, and then you put the top on, and then you, what did I do? And then you keep it like that. I don't think that was, yeah, you keep it like that. How cute is that? Okay guys, so I just put on some Hoola bronzer, and I'm using the Hoola Dandelion, and I used Maybelline Age Rewind for my concealer, and I did set it with Hourglass setting powder. So we're gonna move on and finish the face. Okay guys, I'm just gonna do a really simple eye look today with these colors. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually just gonna use the brown here and maybe a little bit of Sentiment and Species from the Kat Von D vegan palette. So yeah, these colors are absolutely gorgeous, but I'm not using these today. I'm just gonna be using these two, maybe a little of that. I just wanted to tell you guys I have two fans on. I have my little Amazon fan here and then a tiny fan behind me, so I'm getting double fan because I'm having so many hot flashes. Just FYI. Okay, you guys, so for the outer corner, I used Species, and then the gold for the inner corner is the Quality, and then Sentiment was that beautiful, like bronzy color over the top of my eyes. I'm really loving this, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Cake pencil just for the outer liner. This is a Kat Von D cake pencil in black, or what's the actual color? It's called Trooper Black, and I literally just put it on the very corner of my eye. I do not drag it all the way across my eye, just on the outer corner to kind of lift my eyes up. And then since we're doing all Kat Von D, I'll use Go Big or Go Home mascara. Here she is. I'm going to be using Fenty highlighter today in Mo Honey and Afternoon Snack for my highlighter. And yes, I am using high-end products today, you guys. I always use drugstore, so today I'm using high-end. So don't hate. We have to learn like what's good in high-end. Oh, Fenty! What's good? There's many great makeup lines at the drugstore, but today I wanted to really I want to marry Guerlain and Kat Von D. I don't think they ever knew they're going to be on the same page, but they are working quite lovely together. All right, I'm just going to finish up. Okay, I just mixed two nude lipsticks together, and actually they're Revlon and Kate Moss from Rimmel, so I did throw in a lipstick that's from the drugstore, but I am going to top it off with my favorite lip liner, which is Kat Von D in Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita, and then we'll do our final review on this foundation. Okay, you guys, this is the final look, and I'm loving it. It is beautiful. Look at this. Like, it gave me the perfect amount of coverage, yet you can still see through my skin. I did use, you know, blush and bronzer and highlighter, but still it has some actually really good coverage. I'm kind of impressed by this little brush. I gotta say, I really like it. I've never tried anything like that, so yes. Now, I didn't use the Royal Youth Watery Oil. Is that what it's called? Youth watery oil, because I had put so much sunscreen on before, so I didn't want to mess up any formula. If you guys want to see something else using that, I can definitely try again. Let me know how you feel about this Guerlain foundation. Have you used the brush? I want to know everything, but I am feeling very happy with the end result. I mean, come on, love it. And I am going out tonight, and I hope that my new 16-hour foundation pulls up. I'll let you guys know. I'll give you an update. All right, you guys. Wow. And Kat Von D, your eyeshadow. Love it.